We're gonna go fishing today, as you can tell. Got my truck over here, and we're just getting ready to leave. So it's about 5:30, 5:35. It's Friday, and I deserve a break today.
Oh gosh, that's terrible.
Ooh, see him over there? By the log. So this fishing trip took place on May 28th, 2021. It's a great day. Temperature was perfect. Just so you know, the lure that Will is using is just a topwater frog, and he uses that along with his bait caster, which he loves. See that stump over there?
Yeah.
Try throwing it over there after this one.
Alright, that one was really small. I can see it.
Did you want to stay around here?
No, we can keep moving down.
Ooh, all right. Get some action. Oh, nice. Nice.
Oh, get off!
He got off?
Oh,
No, he's not. He's still on there.
Barely.
Get the net right behind you.
There we go.
Nice.
Now that he came off, the frog just came out.
Yee. That's a nice one.
Fast.
Holy crap. Oh my God. Okay, wait, we gotta take a picture of that. That's awesome. See, aren't you glad I dragged you out?
Almost had it out.
It's like a fatty.
There we go.
All right.
Pretty good. Alright, put it back.
Wait, one more. Okay.
That was
Wait.
Alright, try to slow us down here. What is that?
Right now we're moving around and trying to find a better spot. The wind was blowing a little bit on this end, so we're just going to keep going down and find a little calmer area. Because as you know, wind and canoes don't mix. What do beavers eat? I wouldn't want to be there if I was a fish.
I'm so bad.
So we're now totally on the opposite side of where we started, and hoping for better luck here. It's nice and calm. It should be a better place.
See that loon over there? See it, Dad?
What?
The loon.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see. I was thinking of going closer to the loon, but I know that it's nesting, so I didn't want to disturb it. Fun fact about loons is that they mate for life, and they come to the same lake or pond every year. So we'll see this loon again next year.
Must not have been big then.
I wish I had my video camera so I can zoom in on it. Loon. God, it's peaceful out here. I love it.
I want to go in there with it.
Got one. We got one. Oh. Nice. Look at that.
The same way.
What?
I hooked them the same way I did the other day. Yeah. Dad, you gotta back this up.
What?
You gotta back this up. Ooh. Boy's fat. Been eating.
Nice. Okay, let me take a picture of it. Oh, yeah, here we go. Got another one. Got another one. Ooh, that's a big fatty. Ooh! He doesn't want to come in. Come on, baby. You want to come here. Nice. Okay, let me back up.
And oh,
What?
yeah, that's to the top of this too.
Man, You got both hooks, huh?
Yes, man, got double
whammy. Okay.
All right, take the
Wait. Okay.
All right.
This one I want to get.
Oh, you're ready to go. Run out of the way. Get him. I feel like I really gotta get them like.
Let's say what?
I feel like the fish that I've been getting are like close to shore.
They've all been pretty much the same size, right?
No, the first one was the biggest one, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Oh boy, this is gonna be a hard one to get out.
Can you see the fish? There's a lot of them out here. It's pretty cool. And we're only fishing probably like 3 feet of water.
I think the reason why I'm getting these fish is because I'm dropping like the frog right on their head. And they just get like pissed off. Like, okay, can we go to the other side?
Another one. Another one.
Got him.
Oh, man.
We gulped this thing. Jeez, the whole thing's in his mouth. I don't know which way the hook is. Alright, I got it. Jeez. I can't like red and push it. Alright, back us up.
Huh?
Back us up a little bit, we're getting. Come on. Open up, buddy. Oh, dude. I fucking inhaled it. I gotta
Use
do
the bigger one.
kind of like pushing. Come on, man. Get it out. Spit it out. Spit it out. Yes, I got it. Yes. Woohoo. She.
Look at that baby. Wait, one more. Okay. All right, go ahead.
Okay.
That's a loony loon. All right, we're done. It was a great day. Great fishing. Peace.